believe she's actually going to do it.
Ching Chong will be the first person I know who has actually done the ice bucket challenge. Very brave.
It's brilliant. They should always do wet t-shirt contests with ice-cold water. Adds another dimension, if you know what I mean.
Nope. Is Ching Chong raising money for ALS?
ALS? You mean ALS? Lou Gehrig's disease?
Well, yes. How ironic that Lou Gehrig died of Lou Gehrig's disease.
Come on, I don't want to miss any of the Frozen Titty show.
Oh, okay.
Come in, hurry up. Rice bucket challenge about to begin.
I'm so surprised that Ching Chong is going to do the ice bucket challenge. I hope she brought a change of clothes.
I'll let her sit under my blanket and wiggle.
Shh, 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 shh. She's about to begin. Thank you, everyone, for attending me, Ching Chong, performing the Rice Bucket Challenge. My close personal friend, Jimmy Kimmel, challenged me to a bullshit. My close personal friend, Jimmy Kimmel.
Bullshit.
Okay, my close personal friend, Jimmy Kimmelweck, from Dupa's Polish Bakery, challenged me to do the Rice Bucket Challenge. I would like to nominate Stephen Colbert, Academy Award-winning Foley artist Greg Orloff, and Roy Whitman, Interim Director of the White House National Nanotechnology Coordination Office, to man up and also take the Rice Bucket Challenge. Here go. Ow!
What happened?
She really was saying rice. I don't believe it.
Well, that was a good idea. And even easier than using warm water like Justin Bieber did. You don't have to dry your hair.
But it misses the point.
Which is?
It's too, well, I think, oh hell, I don't know. Show your support by being cold and wet?
My pants are showing their support right now.
I was challenged by a nice man standing outside Dollar Tree, and I would like to nominate my best friend, Hair Lip.
Aw, thanks, buddy.
Now I will take the Lice Bucket Challenge.
Oh, hell no!